Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So as I said in the previous video that I would be showing you the haul of the products I purchased, or not exactly products, whatever I purchased. So what I would do is I would show you the product, I would tell you from where I bought it, also I would tell you the price, and I would link everything in the description so that if you also want to buy it, you can go there and buy it. First thing is this bag. Just let me show you this small bag. I got it from Miniso, and that too just for 500. It is really good and its quality is also really good, and I really wanted this kind of a bag, so yeah. Second thing I purchased is hoodie. I got it like this hoodie in like oversized, which is so awesome, and this is from H&M. I bought it for $14.99. Third thing which I got was these sheet masks. So I got 4 sheet masks. First is cucumber, then second one is this is ulta. This is aloe vera. Then I got the rice one, and the last one I got the papaya one. So these 4 sheet masks I got, and it's 60 per sheet mask, which is I think a better price than what you will see on Nykaa or Tony Moly or anywhere. They give like 100 rupees or 125. So this was of 60, so it was a good purchase. Then I got this Faces Canada Hydro Makeup Remover foaming thing it was. So I really liked this. Plus this can also be used for cleansing, for moisturizing. It is just a water-based formula, which is actually kind of you can also use it as a micellar water. This kind of a foaming thing, Faces Canada, I got for $425. Its MRP is $475. I exactly don't remember. It was around $425. Then I got, okay, first things first, I got this Lakme Regal Green eyeliner. This is so really nice. Trust me, if you wanna buy this is so really nice. I actually had gone there to buy a liquid one, but I didn't get the liquid one. I got this pencil one, but this is also really good. This is for $275. Next thing I got was this Lakme Iconic. So it was black mascara. And then next Lakme thing only, I got this Lakme Absolute Shine Line, which is also eyeliner. So this one is basically a shiny gray. Yeah, so this really shows like this. And mascara was for $450, and this liner was also $450. I got it for $400 actually. Then I got this Faces Canada lipstick, which is a crayon one. This is the first time I got this crayon one, and its swatch, let me show you. Okay, this is also packed, man. So let me show you the swatch here. So this is kind of this color. It really was a good purchase. And so its name is Formal Ready 25. Okay, then comes the last purchase. I got this tissue paper bag. Seriously man, you should have a tissue paper bag. it is really needed.
It's better to have your own tissue paper rather than using some public washrooms, anything, tissue paper or something. Use your own. Yeah, if you forget your handkerchief or anything, this is really nice, and this is just for 12 rupees. Yeah, so this is it. I think this is all I got from the mall.
So guys, this was the end of the haul. I hope you liked it. If you want to purchase anything, link everything below, and if you want to buy it, go for it. And also, if you purchase it from Nykaa, these products, they might get you on a discount, so it would be really good. I would link down below all these, basically the cosmetic products, these eyeliners, mascara and all. I would link down below from Nykaa, so it would be better. Alright, so stay tuned, and why do I say stay tuned? Stay connected actually.
I'll meet you in the next video. See ya. Sayonara. See ya. Bye.
Okay, before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment down below. Do share with your friends and family. See ya. Bye.